How's it boot? Okay, my mother has asked me to pump the tires here. Because it's a warning that the tires are deflated. I'm not too sure how to tell. Do you think it might tell you right here, but it's not. Nope. It's not telling. Vad är det tire pressures, ja? Oh, it says inside the fuel gauge, I mean the fuel cap, but I don't know how to open up the fuel cap. Twice, and then I get to read the tire pressure label. So I guess, and that's the back, right?
No, it seems the same now.
2.2, 2.2, 32, 32. Okay. Oh my goodness. So far, so good. Okay, let's do this. Can you show come over here? You see it's 29. It needs to get to 32. Show that. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. I thought it should go. It should just go up to 32. I thought. That one's good. What? It seems to reset itself. I don't know why. Look at that. Oh. 32, right? Oh dear. Maybe we should put some more in now. You sure your fingers are not in? Okay, I think we did it.